Welcome back, guys. My name is Cornelius and I'm going to show you how to remove or replace a processor fan. First of all, this is our system unit, and before we start anything we need to ensure our safety. So what we will do, we need first of all to ensure that our CPU or system unit is not plugged to any power cable or the main supply. So to start, we are going to open our lid so that we can access our internal parts of our system unit. So guys, we need to locate where our processor fan is, and this is the processor fan. This black, it is connected to the motherboard, you can see this. So what we need to do, you can see it has got two clips which is holding. We need to ensure we raise up these lids and tighten. Then you can see it has got two holding clips here, the black ones. So what we can do, you need to remove them. So guys, so we'll slide sideways. We will start with this one first and lift. Then you go to this other one, you slide, also slide this way, this other side, and lift upwards. So after sliding, you can lift upwards. So you can see we need also to unplug these cables from motherboard. So guys, you can see this is our processor fan for cooling the processor. You can find that when the system unit is running processes, it can get hot and it needs some cooling mechanism. So guys, you can see this is our processor, and you need to be careful not to tamper with it. So guys, that is how to remove. So, and how then will we return or replace in case of any defect with a processor fan. So you need to hold it back, ensure it is facing the right position, like that, and then you press the clips to hold their original position, like that. Also this other side, ensure they are holding, and press these white clips to hold them down, to hold the processor down. Then guys, you see there is a cable here. You need to unplug back to its position, that is on the motherboard. And guys, that is how to replace or remove a CPU or processor fan. If you like my video, share, comment and like. Thank you.